In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sign in Adobe, all within just 5 minutes. Let's get started with this simple and straightforward process. First things first, you'll need to access a web browser, and any browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari will do just fine. As soon as you have your browser open, navigate to the Adobe Sign public login page by typing in or copying this URL: secure adobesign.com public/login. Here, you'll be able to log in and access the features we need. Once you're logged in, the next crucial step is to open the PDF document to which you want to add the signature field. You'll do this within Adobe Acrobat. When your document is open in Acrobat, focus your attention toward the top of the screen and locate the Tools tab. You'll want to click on that. This is your gateway to a range of functions Adobe Acrobat offers, and it will open up a list of useful tools for you to work with. From this list, search for the tool labeled Fill and Sign. Select this option to begin the process of adding your signature. The Fill and Sign tools are incredibly user-friendly and designed to make the whole process easy, even for those new to Adobe Acrobat. As you explore the Fill and Sign tools, you'll find an option called Add Signature. Clicking this will bring you to the critical part of the operation where you create your own signature. Here, Adobe gives you flexibility. You can choose to type your signature if you prefer a more traditional typed look. Alternatively, draw your signature if you want something that mimics your handwritten signature. Or, if you already have an image of your signature, you can upload it directly and use that. After you've crafted your signature, the next step is to click Apply. At this point, you might feel the urge to second-guess your sign placement, but rest assured you'll get to position it just right. Once you click Apply, go ahead and position the signature within the PDF document exactly where you need it. The drag-and-drop functionality in Adobe makes this step as smooth as can be. Finally, after you've adjusted your signature to perfection, remember to save the document to preserve all the changes you've made. Simply saving your PDF ensures that your work is not lost and that the signature is securely embedded in your document. And there you have it. You've successfully added a sign in Adobe, all in under 5 minutes. With these steps, you'll find adding a signature to PDFs to be both a hassle-free and intuitive process. Thanks for following along, and I hope your experience with Adobe Sign continues to be as seamless as this tutorial.